You've had French toast before, but I guarantee you've never had it like this. Today I'm taking Jamaican rum cream and turning regular French toast into something completely different. Trust me, you're gonna want to see how this turns out. So we're gonna start off by adding 3 eggs. Whisk it up. Once the egg is fully whisked, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of rose water. Give it a nice little mix. It's already smelling good, guys. Smelling lovely. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 cup of heavy cream, regular heavy cream. And we're gonna save 1/2 cup for later. Mix it in. We're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of clove, just a tad of salt, regular salt, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. Give it a nice little mix, you know. Make sure everything is evenly blended, nicely blended, you know. This is gonna be so good, guys, I'm telling you. Now we're gonna add about 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. That brown sugar cane is gonna add a nice flavor, nice sweetness to this French toast mixture. And we're not using just any regular bread today. We're using vanilla brioche bread. It is nice and moist, and it's gonna soak up all of this juice, guys. Slice into it. We're gonna make some thick slices, guys. We should get at least 5 or 6 evenly slices out of this. Just like that. All right. So now we're gonna get our skillet hot, and then we'll dip this in the batter, sear, remove from the pan, and the rest is history. Keep watching. All right, guys, so we're gonna add a little drizzle of olive oil, about a tablespoon, and then we're gonna add a few tablespoons of salted butter, add our bread to the liquid, dip and flip. Make sure it soaks up all of that stuff. Once this is fully melted, then you want to make sure you turn your stove down. Right now it's on high heat just to melt the butter. Once it's, the butter dissolves, we're gonna put it on medium heat because we don't want to burn our bread. Add it in, just like that. We're gonna make sure it gets a nice sear, a nice dark, crust. And we're gonna try to sear all corners, all edges, make sure everything is perfect. Smelling so good. And the back pieces, we're just gonna let this soak in the liquid a little bit longer. Soak it up. And if medium heat is not high enough for you guys, you can always, turn the heat back up. You just got to monitor it. And all 6 slices are in. All right, so once it gets to that color that we're looking for, we'll flip it and rotate it, and then we'll let y'all see what's going on. All right, so everything is perfect right now, guys. This is the color, the darkness we're looking for. Go ahead and flip. This one, I'm gonna cook this one a little bit longer. And then we're gonna add some more butter to our skillet. And the butter is gonna add that extra saltiness to it as well. And I'll make sure to leave all the correct measurements in the description in the video. This right here is gonna take about a table, well, not a tablespoon, but 1 stick of salted butter. Alright guys, French toast is ready. It's good to go. So we're just gonna put it on the cutting board, let it rest a little bit, cool down. While it's cooling down a little bit, we're gonna start working on our Jamaican rum cream sauce to pour on top. Keep watching. Alright guys, so you wanna make sure your skillet is nice and hot. Right now the burner is on high. Alright, we're gonna add half cup of heavy cream. And then we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Mix it up. And once it starts to, come to a boil, start to become thick, we're gonna add some Jamaican rum cream inside of it. All right, look at that. And that should turn into a nice glaze consistency. Turn the stove down to about a low heat, just for about 2 minutes. All right, y'all, I'm about to do a taste test and let y'all know how the sauce turned out. Cool it down a little bit. Wow. You're getting the sweetness from the sugar that we added, a little bit creaminess from the heavy cream, and also that Jamaican rum cream flavor, that sweetness, that hint of rare nifty rum inside of it. Oh my God. This is gonna be so good once we add it on top of the French toast, guys. Keep watching. All right, guys, so right now, we're just gonna prep our toppings that we're gonna add on top of the French toast, along with the rum cream sauce. So I have 1 banana, 2 strawberry, all right? This is gonna be quick and simple, guys, quick and easy. Peel it real quick. This right here, just gonna cut it in half. Same thing for this one. Banana, we're just gonna slice it up. And that's it. Pretty easy. All right, guys, we're at that point in the video where we're about to do the plating. So I'm just gonna add maybe 1 or 2. Oh yeah, let's see here. Just like that. And then I'm gonna add strawberry right there. Maybe 1 on top. Give it a little, like a little slant, yeah. Banana slices. Just like that. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna pour that lovely Jamaican rum cream sauce on top. Oh my God. I'm excited, guys. My mouth is running water. It's crazy right now. And we're gonna do the same thing that we did with this one. Banana on top with the strawberry, and that is it. So time to add our sauce and we should be good. All right, moment of truth. Pour that rum cream sauce all over, guys. Let it drip. Look at that juice. OMG. Yes, yes. Alright, so we're just gonna finish it off with some powdered sugar. And that is it. Yes, guys, time to take a bite. Ooh. Nice and soft. soak up some of that sauce, the rum cream glaze. Yo, this right here should be illegal. This is too good, too good. Wow, can't use a fork for this. This is a must-try recipe, guys. Must try. OMG. The sauce is giving me that similarity between, you know, it's like similar to caramel, you know, but this is like way better. Banana. Well, I'm not a big fan of sweets, guys, but this is ridiculous. This is crazy. Wow. Yes, guys, so we're at the end of the video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, share the video, let us know what you think. And if you haven't yet subscribed, guys, to my channel, please go ahead and do so. And once you hit that subscribe button, turn on notification. Make sure all notifications are turned on that bell. All right? Until next time, peace, one love. Big up on yourself.